I just wanna keep you warm. I'm coming back, I wanna touch. Yeah, I'm so far away, I'm stuck. I wanna touch.
Salut mon amis, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. As you guys can see, I have my closure that I bleached in my previous video, and I'm placing it on the cap and on the head so I can see where I want to sew it at. And I'm just going to put the T-pins, or if that's what you call them, I'm going to put them on the closure and on the lace so I can place it so I make sure it doesn't move while I'm trying to sew.
Always keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. I'm gone, I want you all alone. Touch me, tease me, love me, please.
I'm sorry my head was in the way, you guys, but basically what I did was I tied the thread on the C-shaped needle 3 times, and then I went under the mesh cap and up through the closure to secure it in place. I had another clip of showing you guys, the process, but it wasn't that great, so I'm just showing you guys right now how it looks after I've sewed all of the closure on. You see it's pretty tight and it's not coming up at all. Right there in the clip, I was just showing you guys one of the bundles in the glue. And right here, I'm just going to measure the bundle on the cap to see where I need to cut and stuff. And then I'm going to pin the T-pins on there to keep it in place while I'm getting the glue and stuff.
Need some old school love. Put your hands up in the air. Let them know that you care. You don't wanna be my man, but I wanna be your girl. Boy, I know when you're around me, it feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust. Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious. We gotta make this serious. Anything I want, I get. I'm better than your ex and the next. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. 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 Anything I want, I get. Watch me style and flex. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. 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 Stevie BB.
You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad bitch don't come for free. You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me and let's go. Let's go.
Stop wasting minutes. You know I always keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. I'm gone, I want you all alone. Touch me, tease me, love me, please me, baby. Yeah. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Wish you had a switch that you could hit, let her know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Put your hands up in the air. Let them know that you care. You don't wanna be my man, but I wanna be your girl. Boy, I know when you're around me, it feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust. Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious. We gotta make this serious. I know you about your cream. Mommy told me stay away from gangsters. Always thought the money was handsome. Treat me like ransom. Consider this a bad bitch anthem for my ladies who feel me. I know you want it back. You ain't gotta fight. Bring it on back. When you're ready, we'll take flight. Disappear into the night. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Wish you had a switch that you could hit. Let her know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Put your hands up in the air. Let them know that you care. than your ex and the next. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. That's gonna turn me out. That's gonna turn me out. Anything I want, I get. Watch me style and flex. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. 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 Wasting minutes, you know I always keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. I'm gone, want you all alone. Touch me, tease me, love me, please me, baby. Yeah. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Wish you had a switch that you could hit, let him know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah. Put your hands up in the air. Let him know that you care. You don't wanna be my man, but I wanna be your girl. Boy, I know when you're around me, feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust. Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious. We gotta make this serious. I know you about your cream. Mommy told me stay away from gangsters. Always let the money.
Alright, you guys, so I used all the bundles that I had left, which was 2. And it worked out perfectly in my eyes. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the cat, what it looks like. And yeah.
Need some old school love. Put your hands up in the air. Let him know that you care. You don't wanna be my man, but I wanna be your girl. Boy, I know when you're around me, it feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust. Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious. We gotta make this serious. Anything I want, I get. I'm better than your ex and the next. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. 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 Anything I want, I get. Watch me style and flex. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out. 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 Stevie BB.
You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad, bad bitch don't come for free. You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me and let's go. Let's go.
Stop wasting minutes. You know I always keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. I'm gone, want you all alone. Touch me, tease me, love me, please me, baby. Yeah. You got a fella that you want.
That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a comment and a like on this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.